Hello guys, welcome to another weekly gold XAUUSD price prediction and analysis video. So as usually in this video we are going to analyze gold chart on the basis of various price action moves, and we are going to discuss important price action levels that gold currently is following so that we can utilize those price action level in coming trading sessions. So before price action analysis, we will going to discuss the latest commitment of trader, or you can say the COT report. So you already knows that in every prediction video I generally look into the positions of managed money, or you can say the smart player. So this is the latest report that we have for this week. And if you remember, and if you watched my previous prediction video for previous week, you already knows that in previous week, if I switch this report to previous week from here, you can clearly see that in previous week the managed money were covering their long position, or you can say they're decreasing their long position, and they were adding in the short. And we already seen impact of this data in previous week. Let me just show you the overall view of previous week. So in previous week, this was the Monday high, and after Monday high we have seen a good decline from this level 1972 to almost in Friday we have seen 1924. So this is a decent decline, and we already seen the impact of commitment of trader report on the price of gold. So for this week, if we look into their positions of managed money, so if we look into the change in position, these are the numbers for this week. So you can clearly see that they still covering their long. So previously we have seen a good number. This time also this is a good number of net long covering. So they are decreasing, or you can say they are closing their long contracts. So as you can see, this time they decreased -8801 long positions, and they also adding in their short positions, or you can say short entries. So this time they added 6477. So this is a good number. And if you remember, I already said how you can use these positions in deciding the sentiments of banks, or you can say the managed money. So as per the current sentiment and as per the data of this week, they are not bullish right now, and we can say that if we talk in terms of COT alone, the data is bearish, or you can say the trend might go down from the current price. So as per the current COT report and as per the numbers that is reflecting from the report, we are still bearish. So we have to take a note of this. So if we move to the price action point, and if we discuss this chart that I already said in the Friday trading session in morning, you already know that price trading previously inside this narrow, you can see descending triangle, and after this in Friday trading session and with the help of NFP numbers, price breakout from this structure right over this point, and it now trading near to this resistance area that I already said. So this is a resistance area. You can see previously this was a good resistance. So now currently price is under this resistance zone. So to go up, as you can see, this is a 30-minute chart, and price is not able to close any candle above this price zone. So if price is able to break above this zone, then only we can consider further rise toward to this level. I already mentioned this, that immediate resistance is this one. I already highlighted, you can see. So price is not able to break above this even after the data. So overall you can see that clearly price is still in bearish control, or you can say bearish, or you can say decline pressure. So to go up, price need to break above this, and then we can expect a rise in price. And you know already that 1950 is a psychological level, you can say, and is also a quarters theory price action resistance level. So if price break above from the day high, then only price can go up toward 1950 right over to this price. And if price breakout, then only we can expect some rise. So overall we are still in bearish mode, or you can say bearish pressure. So we have to look for the sell opportunity only according to this price action sentiment. So as per current scenario, if price not break out from this level, we can look for the sell. Okay, but if price break above and price close here, then better wait for retest like this, and then we can look for buy. And near to 1950 or this level, we can look for sell opportunities only. So this is the sentiment, and this is the chart that I already shared in Friday trading session. And if we talk in terms of 4-hour time frame, this is the chart that most of the trader currently considering, I think, because this is clearly visible on 4-hour time frame that price is currently forming a reverse head and shoulder pattern. As you can see, we are right over here. So I think to go up, price at least need to close above this price zone, because as you can see on volume profile, this is a very high volume traded area. So this price of course going to act as a resistance in simple terms. So to go bullish, and if you want to take buy entry, either you have to wait it to break above for long term, then we can look for buy. Okay, because price might form a neckline right over to this zone 1985 1990. So then we can look for buy the price break above from this. But under this, I think we better look for sell opportunities. And biggest hurdle is now only is the Friday low, this right over here 192425 something like that. So price breakdown, then we can see further decline toward the lowest area right over this price level. So this is the structure on 4-hour, and this is very simple, and you can easily implement this and easily watch this for intraday for next week. So on 4-hour or on volume profile and on this structure, we have to watch this area. It lies around 1960 to 65 range, nearly approx, we can say that. Okay, so this is the formation on 4-hour time frame. And if we talk in terms of intraday price levels, this is the intraday pivot placement for the Monday trading session, and this is the highest position, or you can say price level. This is around 1941, we can say, and in the bottom this is around 1937. So for Monday, if you want to look for sell opportunity, we can look a sell until price not able to close Friday high, or either you have to wait it to break down from here, and near 1935 we can look for sell opportunities toward the lower level. So this is the pivot placement, this is the CPR range for next week. And if we talk in terms of the open interest data for the nearest expiry for gold future, these are the level. So price closed near to 1942, and above this I already mentioned that 1950 is a psychological level, and of course a quarters theory level. So this is a good resistance as per the open interest data. Above that we have 1960 right over here. You can see a number of good put writing over to this price level, and below to current close price we have 1935, 1930, and these are the level. As you can say, these are the good support area currently. So we can say these area connect as support and resistance, because there is number of good call put writing happening over to these price level on gold future chart. So we have to consider this also for that day. And if we talk in terms of gold open interest, this is also for the nearest expiry. This one is the nearest expiry, and overall you can see that call OI is greater than the put OI. So if this is valid for this particular week, because we already seen that price somehow retraced from the level of 1925. I already mentioned in the chart, if you remember this right over here, you can read that first support is at 1925 and price is not able to break above this price zone, so sorry, price level. So we have to watch this level very carefully, 1925. Okay, so these are the level and these are the other data that we have to wait for. Also, in terms of fundamental, I think CPI is the most important event for the next week. So we have to watch and wait for that data also. So these are the level that we will going to look for, and we will going to discuss more about these levels in live trading session in Telegram channel. So see you there. Thank you.